BJP is hitting back at Rahul Gandhi over his comment this morning on Narendra Modi. Remember, Rahul arrived in Amethi, I beg your pardon, this morning and said that it was not about Nichi Jati that he or Priyanka had spoken about, but it was about Nichi Soch, making a direct jibe at Narendra Modi.
Since last 2 days, we are hearing a lot of discussion on niche. We didn't speak about the caste, we didn't speak about your birth. We are talking about the Soch. So much effort, so much energy is being spent on what actually the niche was supposed to mean. We just don't understand what is this niche Soch explanation which is coming through now. The Gujarat growth, the development, the entire agenda of BJP to go on the development and Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, is that niche Soch? BJP's attempt to ensure that all citizens are treated equally and for everybody, development and its benefits reach, is that niche Soch? That there should not be corruption in this country, and then that kind of a mindset which is running away from answering on corruption should be brought to the courts and legal remedy should be given. Is that niche Soch? We need to understand, having introduced with a certain malified intent the word niche into the political discourse, now the Congress is trying to come up with alternatives to justify the use. And then you also say, oh, you're using it to exploit the caste card. I'm sorry, it was something which you brought into the political discourse. Now you're trying to give us alternative explanations. I think the Congress party is absolutely rattled. I'm repeating this line now for the third time in the nine-phased elections. And being rattled, they don't even know what they are speaking. The candidate is not responding.